Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening developer options and enabling USB debugging. This gives your PC direct access. Connect the device with a known good USB cable, then tap Allow on the device when the computer requests permission. If you prefer a phone-only method, install a file manager that shows system files. Once done, make sure your device remains awake and unlocked briefly so the connection completes. This prevents permission errors and makes the next step reliable. You will now find the actual lock screen file. With a DB, run a DB shell, then ls the expected paths such as /data/system/users/0 or the theme folder. Once located, use a DB pull/full/path/destination to copy it to your PC. If using a file manager, navigate to System Wallpaper folders and copy the image to internal storage or cloud. Because some images are stored as cache or in theme packages, make sure to check both PNG/JPG files and asterisk. Cache, or once you have the extracted image, transfer it to the target device and open Wallpaper settings, choose Lock Screen and pick the file, then adjust crop and save. If the file didn't appear, remount the file system read/write via a DB remount or verify file permissions and ownership. If access still fails, reboot both devices and retry USB debugging consent. As a single troubleshooting tip, if the image remains inaccessible, boot into recovery or use root/file manager with elevated permissions to retrieve the file.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.